African lady salutes us all. Why do African women oppose one another? I've been thinking about it recently. Why do we antagonize ourselves? Why African women? You people antagonize yourself. You don't show yourself love or respect. You gossip against one another. Why? What has your sister done to you? The one that baffles me is that you are in a church or in a mosque or wherever, and you see a lady walking, well dressed. Another one will be somewhere saying, see the way she dressed. Before, who asked her? Who did this? What's your problem, oh African woman? What do you have against your fellow African lady? Some people, they can't sit with any African lady. Once they're in a bus or in a taxi or in any vehicle together, you will see that by the time she's seated, another African lady will walk in. She just walks in and sits beside her. Before you know, she's like, your body is touching me. Shift. You're too fat. You're too slim. I beg. But if it's a man that is seated beside her, that African lady will not say anything. She will sit comfortably, enjoy the closeness of the man. What are we doing to one another? Why are we opposing ourselves? African ladies, come together. Love one another. If you see the other person well dressed, appreciate the person. If you see the other lady making it, appreciate her. Stop gossiping against your fellow sister. It pays you nothing. You only end up being an antagonist. That's what you turn yourself to. Stop opposing yourself. The funny part of it is that our religious setting is not helping matter. It's not. Because instead of them to teach African ladies to love one another, help one another, support one another, they end up separating us. Some people will say she's doing IM. Why is she in that office? Every time she's the one trying to clean everywhere, do everywhere. Now you're cleaning, helping, serving others. Is it now a problem? You see your fellow African sister serving the other person or serving a oga or this person suffering. No, you see you are antagonizing. You are still. Why are you envious? What is our problem? Love one another, African ladies. Come together, enjoy one another. Talk to one another, appreciate one another, support one another. This is the reason why this country is not even helping, it's not going well. Her homes are terrible because you are angry. You saw your sister, well, she's happy, her husband, in as much as whatever the husband is doing that is wrong, she closed her eyes to it, but you go and gossip against, you just, because you want out of that marriage. African women, Pikonu, Ejo, I'm begging you people. All the African ladies, I'm talking to you people in all over our continent. Stop antagonizing yourselves. Stop gossiping against yourself. Stop cursing ourselves. Stop all the nasty thing we do. Stop jealousing other lady. Be happy with them. Support your sister. If you see her, she's happy, be happy. Don't try to break her home. Don't try to break her relationship in the office. Don't try to make her look bad. Hey, African ladies, you ought to be happy. You have someone like me. You ought to be happy. I have you have someone like that lady that you are gossiping against. African lady. All the ladies, I'm talking to all of you. You see somebody, she's happy. Another person is helping her. You will suddenly go there to spoil her way. Hey! You people need to examine some things in your head. Men, see men. Our African men, they support one another, they love one another, they're helping one another. You see your sister want to go out of marriage. You say, nay, that your husband safe, waiting there. What is this problem? You can't tell her, please, my sister, don't leave. Oh. Me that I'm not married is difficult. Me that came out is bad. Oh. What is your problem? Support one another. Stop gossiping. Stop gossiping against yourself. So much jealousy in the African setting of the women. Why? Please. I am begging you people, whatever you have sown, you too one day you go reap. Ask me. I will tell you, love your sister. Anywhere you see any African lady, as long as she's an African lady, as long as she's a woman like you, support her. Don't antagonize her. Don't gossip against her. Don't lie against her. Don't try to ruin her relationship. Don't try to ruin her office relationship. Stop it. Please. Help your fellow sisters to stay back at their home, not to come out divorced. Because you're divorced, you want her to be divorced. Are you okay? African ladies, are you okay? African lady is begging us. We are great women. Let's knit together. Let's knit together. Let's support one another. It will help our homes, it will help our country, and it will help our continent. See you some other time. I need to cut this. I'll get it.